morning, guys. I just woke up in a panic because Randy is at McDonald's waiting for us. I don't know where David is. Yeah, we're supposed to be helping Randy get her new coffee machine today. Yeah. And David better hurry. And it's Wednesday, March 1st. It's March. And yeah, we're moving our cleaning challenge to tomorrow to the 9th. So the 2nd to the 9th, we're going to be doing our cleaning challenge. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for David. And while I wait for David, I want to show you these candles we've got from Bath and Body Works that cost us $62. Ooh, the lid actually came off of this one. That's bad. This one is Cocoa Paradise. Yeah, so that's what's going on today. Randy's like waiting for us. And yeah, so I'll see you when we're getting ready to go. Yeah, so Randy got Mr. Coffee. She got the iced and hot one. We're just chilling.
It was very light. I was really shocked.
Yeah, it was better than the one. Do you want to tell everybody which one you were going to get? Is it going to cost $275?
Yeah.
That was ridiculous.
Oh my gosh. It's black.
It's okay.
Yeah.
You could probably put some stickers
Yeah.
on it.
Yeah.
Grab both sides. Grab the box. Pull down.
Okay.
Everybody, pull, pull, pull. As you notice, we have one at home. We showed you our unboxing.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's her cup.
Yeah, and it has a little bucket here. And then hot and ice right there.
Yeah.
And then and a booklet
Yeah.
right here.
Well, we gotta hang out with Randy as much as we can because we won't see her until the 10th.
Yeah.
Keurig.
Bye-bye.
Only 3 pods left. Yeah.
The Keurig's going
Yeah. It's going.
to a new home
Yeah.
or something.
Yep, it's going to a new home.
That's too expensive.
Yeah, with the pods, they're so expensive.
I
here.
looked up the pods and that was like $44. I was like, yeah, no thank you.
Yeah. Like $19? No, thank you. I'm not spending that much money on that.
When you could use coffee grounds.
Yeah, and I have coffee grounds here. Oh, this looks so beautiful.
So on the 10th, Randy's actually coming to our place
Yeah.
for a visit.
We got a straw.
And we have fiber, so her vlog will actually upload. Sorry about her vlog yesterday. It didn't work out because of her Wi-Fi box. She really needs to get fiber and yeah. Might have to talk to T-Tel one time.
Yeah.
We can actually go down there with you
Get off here.
and help you.
Getting some sweeping done.
Oh, thanks.
David loves sweeping. That's what we're going to be doing a lot of. Because we're doing the cleaning challenge
The
tomorrow.
7-day clean challenge.
Until the 9th.
Yep. 1
Stay
hour in the
tuned.
apartment every day.
Yep. Yep, that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
So she's got to use the little cups.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not a very long cord, though.
Yeah.
That, thank goodness for plugging right there.
Yeah. Okay.
Randy treated us to Starbucks.
So we gotta treat her to a coffee syrup.
Yeah.
And it's plugged in now.
Look at all that dirt.
Now look at that.
It does look good, right?
Yeah.
And then that guy just tells you that it could be only hand washed and whatever. She only got 1 cup with hers.
Yeah.
And she has the recipe. But yeah, see, it says tortone on it.
Yeah.
Which ones does she have?
Yeah.
Yeah, hers has all the instructions on the top.
Yeah.
Oh, hers has like the chocolate toffee one.
Yeah.
Like hers has all the iced coffees.
Yeah. Because it's only meant for iced coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this recipe's books to help you.
Yeah.
There you go, Randy. All the mess I made yesterday gone.
Yeah, I know.
And yeah,
Hey,
Randy's excited to try.
Randy.
Randy's not a big fan of chocolate.
Oh,
No.
I love chocolate.
I have chocolate coffee.
So this is your scoop.
Yeah.
This is what you use for hot and cold. This side's hot, this side's cold. And then you do this. Oh, you would have wrecked your basket.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta make sure, you take the plastics out.
Yeah. Now, if you don't want to use the basket, Randy, you can always buy small coffee filters.
Yeah, I have coffee roots.
They say to use the basket because it gives more flavor.
Yeah. It doesn't hold back the flavor.
Randy's looking for
Coffee.
something.
I got crunchy lake coffee
Ooh.
and chocolate Swiss coffee.
Where did you get those?
Marshall's.
Oh my goodness. I guess me and David will have to go there.
Oh, yay.
Chocolate Swiss coffee. She got the
I'm gonna get this to you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Is it very sweet?
Smell.
Yeah, well, that will help me make coffee
Yeah.
for a little while.
Ah, you're going to go with some decaf?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get you all set
Well,
up.
thank you.
You're welcome.
It's gonna
No,
help
it's
us
more-
a little bit.
She thanks us because we helped her get it home.
Yeah.
And he's gonna
So
be
are you
working
making it
tomorrow.
over ice, or are you making...
Ice.
You're making ice, so you'll need this side.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
so
this
it's-
side's for ice, this side's for hot.
Yeah.
If you're putting ice in the cup, then you use the hot side. It's a little easier.
There's the
Then
detail.
when you come over, we'll take a tour
So-
of my machine.
Yep.
So you're gonna do this side. This now, if you lose this is equal to 3 tablespoons.
Okay.
And it also has the writing on top.
Yeah.
Ours doesn't for some reason.
Yeah.
It was supposed to.
There's the lid for it. There's the lid.
Yep.
She's gonna test this.
Yeah. Oh, this one says brown sugar cinnamon I can use.
Yeah. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna try the chocolate coffee.
Alright. So do you have ice at all?
Not right now.
Then we have a problem.
Yeah.
Oh,
We
you
can
just
do hot
But
now.
but we can do a hot one, so we need
Yeah,
a
do
hot
a
mug.
hot one.
Excuse me, honey. Hope you're having our
they're
mug.
getting the hot one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're gonna try it hot 1st because I don't have ice right now.
Mm-hmm.
Or we can use my Vlogmas mug.
Vlogmas mug.
No, Vlogmas.
Vlogmas.
It's going to take something more
Show
like
everyone.
this, Randy. It's going to take something more like this.
Right there.
I'm actually gonna get some
Ready?
cups like that.
It's actually going to
They're
probably take
like
something more
right
like
on
this.
ones.
Okay. That's fine.
So we got to measure out the water in here.
Okay.
So whatever this is,
Okay.
this goes in there. That's how much water you need.
You're excited for your chocolate Swiss coffee?
Chocolate Swiss coffee. Oh, you're on that side.
You're excited for the chocolate Swiss coffee, baby? You're
So
excited.
you're doing a hot
At least
one.
it's some kind of coffee.
We're going to actually redo the measurement.
Okay.
We have lots at home too.
Oh,
We
got
could
time.
give you a container.
Mm-hmm.
I'm probably gonna give her
We're
the.
going to do this. So we're gonna take
I might
this
give.
one out.
I might give her
We're
the
gonna use
Mac.
this side. This
Babe?
is her- Yep.
I might give her the Maxwell one.
Okay.
Cause I don't care for Maxwell. Folgers, I don't know yet. We'll have to give it a try. But I still have Starbucks coffee.
Yeah. When I went on Amazon, I got Dunkin' Donuts coffee. It was so good.
know. I want Dunkin' Donuts here.
Same here. They
Right.
need to come here,
I'll have
they
to
don't want
order
it.
but
some.
they don't want to.
I'll have to order some.
Yeah.
Flip this over.
Me and David's gonna get a house phone soon, probably.
That's gotta be a little- So this is almost 16 ounces.
Oh wow.
Yep. It's just under the 16 ounce line.
Probably paycheck day.
Yeah.
The end of the month. I think me and
Right.
David.
Push that.
Yeah. And I know this one's ice on the bottom.
Actually, me and David are getting me the
Yeah,
new
that's hot coffee.
new
So they each have
bed
their own light.
phone.
So they each have their own light. You
Yeah.
push one of them. It'll just take a little time for it to boil
Yeah, me
up.
and David are probably gonna get the new bed from Walmart at the end of the month.
Oh, that'll be a fun one to try to carry home.
Yeah. Well, I have
Okay.
to.
Pie. And this is cupcake flavor.
You can put a little Vader one in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, the skinny ones aren't that great. We tried it.
I like it.
Just a little dash of that
Yeah.
in.
I like it.
We
See?
tried it.
You could use a travel mug.
Yep.
And now
Isn't
fill
that
right
cool?
up.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? And yeah, we got it set up.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay. We just made coffee. Let's give
Yeah.
it a try. It's hot.
It's hot. There's no ice, so.
Yeah, it's way better than my Keurig.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah.
It's just decaf, so it's
Better than a Keurig.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Better than Keurig coffee.
Yep.
You'll just have to throw that guy on the marketplace.
Yeah, or ask one of my family members if they want a Keurig
Yeah, for free.
for free.
I
I
found
know.
don't charge your family for it. Anybody else that wants it? Yep.
Randy's wearing the same shirt.
Caffeine in quarantine.
It's like deja vu.
Yeah, deja vu.
Can't show my shirt because it's Metallica with a spider
Chicken
on it.
Caesar salad. Well,
And
I'm
it's
gonna
full.
end off the vlog
Here,
here.
guys. And we'll see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow for the 7-day
cleaning
cleaning
challenge.
challenge.
Begins.
Bye, guys.
See you tomorrow with a new...